Welcome back, everyone, to another exciting episode. Today, we're diving into the world of the highly anticipated Edge 50 Pro, a smartphone that's shaking things up with its groundbreaking features and unbelievable price point. The first thing that strikes you about the Edge 50 Pro is its display. This is not just any display. It's a world-first 1.5K 144Hz display, certified by Pantone for exceptional color accuracy. Add to that a blazing fast 125-watt charger and IP68 water and dust resistance, and you've got a viewing experience that's second to none. Moving on to the design. The Edge 50 Pro is the epitome of elegance and durability. It's available in 3 stunning colors, including the ravishing lavender variant. With a vegan leather back and a sturdy metal frame, it feels premium to the touch and offers a firm grip. Now let's talk about the camera. The Edge 50 Pro comes with a triple camera setup, featuring a 50-megapixel primary lens and AI-powered features. Whether you're shooting portraits or macros, this phone captures every moment with remarkable detail and accuracy. Under the hood, the Edge 50 Pro is a powerhouse. Equipped with the Snap 7J3 chipset, it ensures smooth performance, even when you're gaming or running intensive tasks. The robust hardware and support for high refresh rates deliver a seamless user experience. The Edge 50 Pro doesn't stop there. It also boasts a robust battery with 125-watt charging, edge-to-edge stereo speakers, and a clean UI with no bloatware. Moto's signature gestures and AI-powered wallpapers add a personal touch, enhancing the overall user experience. In conclusion, the Motorola Edge 50 Pro is redefining what's possible in the mid-range segment. It offers flagship-level features at an unbeatable price. With its stunning display, impressive camera, and robust performance, it's a game-changer in every sense. If you're looking for a premium smartphone that doesn't break the bank, the Edge 50 Pro is worth considering. Beyond its stellar features, the Edge 50 Pro also boasts a 6.7-inch 144Hz 10-bit curved OLED display, a Pantone-validated true color display, and a powerful Snapdragon 7 Gen 3 SoC. It promises extended software support and offers an array of connectivity options. Truly, this is a smartphone that delivers on all fronts. That wraps up our review of the Motorola Edge 50 Pro. Don't forget to subscribe for more related content and share your thoughts in the comment section below. Until next time, stay tuned, stay safe, and happy shopping.